In the rich pantheon of Greek mythology, Poseidon emerges as a formidable deity, revered and feared as the god of the sea, earthquakes, and horses. He is among the 12 Olympian gods, a son of the Titans Cronus and Rhea, and a brother to Zeus and Hades. As a deity who wields immense power, Poseidon holds a vital role in the intricate tapestry of ancient Greek beliefs. Poseidon is often depicted as a robust, bearded figure, reflecting strength and authority. His most recognizable attribute is the trident, a three-pronged spear that symbolizes his dominion over the oceans and the turbulent forces of nature. Alongside this formidable weapon, he is frequently illustrated in the company of horses, which highlights his dual nature as both a sea god and a deity associated with equestrian activities. These depictions underscore his status as a creator of horses, often credited with bringing forth these majestic creatures. Poseidon embodies a complex duality. While he can be a nurturing and life-giving force for sailors and fishermen, providing sustenance from the sea, he is equally known for his unpredictable temper, capable of unleashing violent storms and earthquakes. Known as the Earthshaker, his ability to cause seismic events adds another layer to his character, making him a figure of awe and respect among ancient Greeks. This duality of nurturing and destruction makes Poseidon a complex figure, a deity revered for his gifts, yet feared for his wrath. Poseidon's dominion encompasses all bodies of water, from the vastness of the oceans to rivers and lakes. In addition to his authority over the seas, his powers extend to earthquakes. As the god responsible for seismic activity, Poseidon's influence over the Earth's movements emphasizes his control over nature's chaotic elements. Horses. His role as the creator of horses reinforces his connection to strength, speed, and prowess. Poseidon is often depicted alongside these powerful creatures, solidifying his status as a protector of warriors and charioteers. Poseidon features prominently in numerous myths, illustrating the various facets of his character and the significant themes present in Greek mythology. One of the most famous tales is the competition for the patronage of Athens between Poseidon and Athena. In this myth, Poseidon struck the ground with his trident, creating a saltwater spring, or, in some versions, a horse, as a gift to the city. In contrast, Athena offered an olive tree, symbolizing peace and prosperity. The citizens ultimately chose Athena's gift, leading to Poseidon's anger and retaliation against the city. This myth not only highlights Poseidon's rivalry with other gods, but also reflects the ongoing themes of martial power versus wisdom within Greek culture. In Homer's epic, the Odyssey, Poseidon plays a crucial role in Odysseus's journey home. After Odysseus blinds Poseidon's son, the Cyclops Polyphemus, the god becomes vengeful and determined to make Odysseus's travels treacherous. Throughout the narrative, Odysseus faces numerous challenges from storms and obstacles conjured by Poseidon, showcasing the god's formidable power over sailors and his unpredictable nature. Another significant story, illustrating Poseidon's character, is his creation of the first horse. This act not only cements his position as a guardian of the seas, but also as a patron of horse racing and a deity revered by those who sought steeds. His influence in both domains, oceanic and terrestrial, highlights his multifaceted nature. Poseidon's interactions with other gods and heroes provide further insight into his character and the dynamics within the Greek pantheon. Although Poseidon holds a position as one of the three most powerful gods alongside Zeus and Hades, his relationship with Zeus can be contentious. After the Titans were defeated, the three brothers divided their realms among themselves. Zeus claimed the sky, Hades took the underworld, and Poseidon became the ruler of the sea. Despite this balance, tensions occasionally arose, particularly during power struggles or disputes over their respective domains. Throughout the myths, Poseidon's many affairs with goddesses, nymphs, and mortal women often lead to the birth of potent demigods or mythical creatures. Triton, perhaps the most famous of Poseidon's offspring, Triton is often depicted as a merman who sounds a conch shell, symbolizing his role as a messenger of the sea and a figure who calms or stirs the waters at his father's command. Polyphemus, the Cyclops born to Poseidon, His tale in the Odyssey showcases not only the consequences of Poseidon's anger, but also the deeper conflicts between gods and mortals. In ancient Greece, Poseidon was both cherished and feared, as a deity whose temperament directly impacted the livelihoods of sailors, fishermen, and those dependent on the sea. Poseidon was worshipped throughout Greece, particularly in coastal communities. The Temple of Poseidon at Saunion, perched above the Aegean Sea, remains one of the most remarkable sites dedicated to him, serving as a place where sailors sought his favor before embarking on their voyages. Poseidon's character and myths have profoundly influenced literature, art, and culture throughout history. His representation, majestic yet terrifying, resonates in numerous works, from ancient pottery depicting maritime battles to modern interpretations found in contemporary literature and films. In essence, Poseidon is a multifaceted deity representing the vastness and unpredictability of the sea. As the god of oceans, earthquakes, and horses, he exemplifies the complex relationships between humanity and nature. His myths elucidate themes of rivalry, vengeance, creation, and respect for the forces that govern the world. Poseidon's enduring presence in Greek mythology serves as both a celebration of nature's beauty and a cautionary tale about the wrath that can arise from it, solidifying his place in the cultural consciousness.